My name is Jason, and today we're going to be looking at Desk and how, when you close a task that's related to a ticket, how you can create a workflow and a custom function to be able to basically put a comment on the ticket saying that that task was closed, and just gives a little information about it. Something to have for later on if you need to go back and look to see what was done for a particular task. So let's get started. So we're going to start here with the home page of Desk, and a couple things. I'm going to go ahead and show you that I have a test task here on a ticket. And so as you can see, there's some basic information that is filled out. And so we're going to look at going in and first finding the field names. And so we'll go to settings, and over here, you're going to go to the layouts and fields. Oh, we want it for tickets, or we want it for tasks, not tickets. And so reason being, so these is the layout, and these are our fields. If we actually go and look at the fields list, again under tasks, here's the API names, and these are the field names that we'll need when it comes to building our function. And so we'll start off looking here, and let's go over here to workflows. And I have built a workflow already, but you would create one. You're going to say what module you're in, give it a name. It is going to execute on the field update when the status gets modified, and we want it when the status is completed, that it will then go in and create or run our function here. And I'll just go ahead and edit this because I've already built this to save ahead, but the argument in this case is the task ID. And so this is a simple little function. Basically, getting the close date is going to be the current date. So when it gets modified, we know there's the org ID. I need to get that task record using that task ID. And we're grabbing some simple things. These are fields that we saw here. Oh, that's in my tickets. So I want on here, I basically want the subject, I want the owner, and I want the ticket that it belongs to. And I'm also going to get the description of the task. So you see here, you get the ticket ID. This is the name of the task. Here's the description of it. I'm getting the owner of the task and then going in and grabbing their information so I can have their first name and last name instead of just an ID number. And here is our comment. This is what we're going to say. So it's the task has been completed, the date it was completed, the description of the task, and who it was completed by. And then I'm putting this, you can have this to is public. You can have this as true or false. If you have it as false, it means only the admins can see it. If you want everybody to be able to see it, you can put it to true. But in our case, I'm just going to leave it as false. And then a invoke URL to update on the ticket itself, not the task. We want the comment that are here. And so if I go back here, here is our task. I'm all done with it. Before that, though, let me show you exactly what we had in here. We have the different information. We have the owner. Here's the description. I needed to be able to show the field in this example. And so now that I know it is done, I want to come back in here. And here in the task, I can do one of two ways. I can either just hit mark as complete here, or I can change the status to completed here. I'll go do it here. And it has been closed. And now if we come back here to my conversations, you can see that my comment has been created. So fairly simple. It's a good way, an easy way to automatically put information in there, so you don't have to remember each time to go back and put in a comment on your ticket to say what you were able to do and when it was done for particular tasks. So quick and easy way. And thank you for watching, and check out some of our other videos. Thanks, and have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.